If you run a not-for-profit, you have to get Zoho One. And I'm going to tell you why. Zoho One is a fantastic platform. And one of those reasons is the price. It's got so much in it, and it's really, really full of tools that you can use to run your not-for-profit business. So let's dive in. Okay, so I'm on the pricing page here, and you can see that it's pretty low, like $60.50. And I think a lot of times people really get stuck on price. But when you think about it, it's actually a really, really, really good value. And I'll show you why. Normally, when you're going to run a not-for-profit, you have to do a whole bunch of things. You have to get a website, you have to get domain names, you have to get email hosting and things like that. So I'm going to show you some of the tools that you can use to keep those costs down. One of which is Zoho One, where you've got a ton of applications. You can build a website, you can host your emails, you can take subscription payments, and we'll go through some of those features. In the comments, I've got a couple of links where you can get access to Zoho One with a free trial for 30 days. And the hot tip is, if you let it expire, it'll actually allow you to log back in, click a little link where you can extend for another 30 days. I'm also going to give you a link to where you can get an email domain from Ripper Hosting, our web hosting domain company. All right. So I'm back onto Zoho One, and I'm just going to quickly go into the management portal here. Now, I'm not going to show you everything because we haven't got time, but basically, these are all the applications that you get. So let's have a look. We've got Zoho Analytics Backstage, which is like an events management thing. So Analytics allows you to bring data together. Books for all of your accounting. You can send invoices, you can track payments, take receipts, manage receipts and expenses, etc. Campaigns is for all of your marketing. So it's like a MailChimp or an Active Campaign where you can do email automation. Click is like your chat channel. Connect is like where you can share information, manuals, guides, how-tos, etc. CRM, self-explanatory, and I won't show you this. There's a lot more detail in that one. Expense for receipts. Forms, really good for capturing new membership signups. You know, one of the things I found was really, really hard to join one of the membership groups that I'm going to show you. And I found that one thing that made it really easy was creating an online form where I could enter all of the data that I needed to be able to sign up and qualify for this particular community group or association. Inventory, so if you're going to have like shirts or stubby coolers or any kind of like merchandise, you can hold it and track it. The other one is projects, really good if you're going to run an event like a show day or something like that. Sites, now when you're going to go and build a website for a not-for-profit, you're probably going to need a web developer. And if you're not already one, you're either going to go with something like Wix or Squarespace, and then you'll get caught up and stuck with the problems that come along with those. Or you can use this, and it's part of the package. It's part of the $60 a month that you get, everything in it, and you can build your own website. It's very quick, very easy. I set one up in about one day. I did it really quickly. I will show you, but you can go really high end, and there are some templates in there to help you. So you can put a lot of information in there, and it doesn't cost a lot. If you're going to go to a developer, you're probably looking at $2,000 or $3,000. So if you're just starting out, you're just trying to get off the ground, your best bet is probably just get a Zoho One license, get everything included, and build it out yourself. Social, so you can track your social media management. Basically, if you're going to have like your Facebook, your Instagram, your TikTok, your YouTube, you want a place where you can track and manage all of the engagement. You can also put a post on there and then have that go out to all of those channels. So post once and it goes out to the 5, 10 channels, whatever that you have. Subscriptions, it's really great for taking memberships or donations or corporate sponsorships. And I'm going to show you that in a bit. Survey is really good when you've got a large volume of members, so you can see, how's your charity working, the engagement that you're getting, etc. Work Drive is really great for sharing files. If you need to save information, you usually need to save, your brand assets and things like that. That's a really good place to do it. And there's some other bits and pieces, but the next one is Zoho Commerce, which is a really good place to create a basic e-commerce website, and you can start to sell things that are relevant to your charity or to your membership. All right, just quickly, let's go into sites. Now, this is the website backend. Now, if I go to gruntsaustralia.org, this is one I completed recently. They are an infantry group, and they have rides and forward driving. There's a bit of like mental health aspect, but you've got a membership form. You can click in, you can sign up, and then at the end you can pay your membership fees. You sign a form. They do also have a subscription page, so that form actually links to this membership sign up page, where you've got 3 plans, and on those plans you can be a full member, a non-writing member, or a supporter. And this is again very basic, and it was very quickly put together, but you can see the power now. If I want to subscribe here, I can put my credit card in and away I go. So from a user perspective, it actually makes it very easy for me to sign up. And from a membership perspective, they've actually got quite a lot of capability for not much money at all. To do these sorts of things costs a lot if you're going to pay a developer. So I can add a section, I can create a design, I can change the image and the text, etc. And it's very easy, drag and drop. Now on the form side, I can easily build out the form. So if I go back here, I'm going to go and demonstrate forms. I can easily drag and drop form details onto the form if I click into the form editor rather than the actual form itself. And I can quickly click and drag fields onto there, and then have them also integrate back to the CRM, so that when someone fills out a form, that their information goes into the CRM. And there's a whole bunch of other settings and things that you can do. One of the next ones is the checkout or the subscription. So if I go back here and I'll go to the management side, I'll just go to more apps and then go to subscriptions. I've now got the ability to build out subscriptions. So you could have, different page with a whole different set. So maybe you want to have a corporate sponsorship where they get like the logo on the newsletter, they get the ability to, sponsor events. And so basically you can add your products. So you add your products here. And then if you have a look in here, we've got like a one-off joining fee and then a yearly fee. And as a result, we've been able to automate the collection of that, and then all of that goes into the accounting software, which is that books platform that we spoke about before. So a really quick overview, and as you can see, it's a really great way for you to be able to build out your membership platform without having to spend too much time and money, particularly if you're just starting out. For $60 a month, it's really, really low cost. It's probably one of the best ways that you can go about creating your membership platform. I highly, highly, highly recommend it. And as always, the link is going to be in the comments, both for the web hosting and to get your domain name, and for the Zoho sign up link with a free trial for 30 days. And don't forget that when you let that free trial expire, you can log back in, you can click the link which says extend for another 30 days. So you actually get 2 months free. And then after that, you just sign up and then you get your, $50 or $60 a month plan. Or you can buy annually and you get it even cheaper. I think you get about 20% off or 2 months free or something like that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please do watch some of the other videos, and of course, like, subscribe, and share this video with anybody else you think would benefit from it. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.